The Candy Fairy. Once there was a candy fairy who had all sorts of candies in different colors. She rewards nice children with candies. She was kind and loving. One day she went to a village. She disguised herself as a poor old lady. She met little boy and Jeon while she was sitting under a tree. Boy stopped by and asked if she was okay. She said she was hungry. He gave her the loaf of bread their mother had asked them to buy from the market. The lady ate the bread, thanked them, and walked away. Later they went home. Jeon told the story, and his mother did not scold at them. Instead, she said it was a good deed and everything was okay. We can drink milk if we have no bread. Suddenly, someone knocked. She opened the door and found a basket full of candies and a letter from a candy fairy showing gratitude for the help.